made to establish a colony upon the Tennessee River, at a spot which was called London. This was 150 miles in advance of any white settlement. 8 years passed, and by the ravages of war the little settlement went up in flame and smoke. As the years rapidly came and went, there were occasional bursts of the tempests of war. Again there would be a short lull, and blessed peace would come with its prosperity and joy. In the year 1760, Dr. Walker again passed over the Clinch and Powell's rivers on a tour of exploration into what is now Kentucky. The Cherokees were then at peace with the whites, and hunters from the back settlements began, with safety, to penetrate deeper and further into the wilderness of Tennessee. Several of them, chiefly from Virginia, hearing the abundance of game with which the woods were stocked, and allured by the prospect of gain which might be drawn from this source, formed themselves into a company composed of Wallen, Seagys, Blevins, Cox, and 15 others, and came into the valley, since known as Carter's Valley, in Hawkins County, Tennessee. They hunted 18 months upon the Clinch and Powell rivers. Wallen's Creek and Wallen's Ridge received their name from the leader of the company, as also did Wallen's Station, which they erected in Lee County, Virginia. They penetrated as far north as Laurel Mountain in Kentucky, where they terminated their journey, having met with a body of Indians whom they supposed to be Shawnees. At the head of one of the companies that visited the West this year came Daniel Boone from the Yadkin, in North Carolina, and traveled with them as low as the place where Abingdon now stands, and there left them. This is the first time the advent of Daniel Boone to the western wilds has been mentioned by historians or by the several biographers of that distinguished pioneer and hunter. There is reason, however, to believe that he hunted upon Watauga sometime earlier than this. End of Preface and Chapter 1.